What is up, YouTube? It is me, Branks, Namer Pickcrafters here, and today we're back with some more weather. Don't know why I said that, but okay. Today we're back with some more weather, and this time we got some updates. So it is currently May 11th. It's almost May 12th. I'm pretty sure by the time you're seeing this, it'll be May 12th. But as of right now, it is May 11th. So as you can see, we're getting some activity. Some interesting things are happening now with the storm. So, this was about 3 hours ago. So, it was a tropical depression. So, it was about like 8. But then, about 9 hours from now, this is expected to turn into a tropical storm with 35 knots and 40 miles an hour. And of course, if we click on the storm tracker page, which I'm assuming it'll lead us to the JTWC. Okay, well, it leads us to some satellite imagery. So this is the satellite imagery for Ambo, tropical depression Ambo. I'm pretty sure it's still tropical depression, and I can definitely tell it's got more organized, and this is definitely going to turn into some sort of tropical storm. Maybe even a Category 1 here in the next few days. Probably like 4 days. But it'll be definitely some like Category 1 hurricane. And the models have definitely changed for this storm. As you can see, this is Ambo currently. Well, yeah, currently, basically. So, yeah, looking more organized than yesterday's update. And here's another one, but it doesn't really move. So if we go down here, assuming it's from the JTWC. So, I'm pretty sure this is the future one, but as you can see, the one which is Ambo with the Philippines name, so we'll just call it Ambo, just to, and it says Ambo storm path from JTWC. As you can see, Monday, May 11th, 2020, 8 p.m. So that's about 3 hours ago. 30 knots. Okay, and then we got that. It doesn't really, I think this is like north. I'm pretty sure. But, doesn't really say. And, as you can see, things have changed a lot. See, because yesterday's update, it was just supposed to, like, go here, then go up there. But now, it's expected to hit the Philippines as, well, it'll be right here. I see Category 1 hurricane 2 days from now. See? Local, Wednesday, May 13th, 2020, 8 p.m., which is like 2 days from now. And its winds will be 65 knots and 75 miles an hour, which is enough for a Category 1 hurricane. And when we go more, it'll still be a Category 1 hurricane. This is 3 days from now. As you can see, it is definitely hitting them islands. It's hitting the islands right here. As you can see. Category 1 hurricane. Local Thursday, May 14th. 3 days. 70 knots, 81 miles an hour. So this will be like, it'll still be a Category 1. But when it moves back up, see, it'll be on the islands, then the blue line's the storm, by the way. Then it'll get weaker. It'll be a tropical storm because, it's on land, so obviously it'll weak. It would, like, weaken because it's on, land. So this would be 60 knots, 69 miles an hour, 4 days from now, May 15th. And then it'll come up here, to which it'll still be a tropical storm 5 days from now, May 16th, 2020. 50 knots, 50 miles an hour. So that's basically what we have right now, but we're not done yet. We still have to see tropical tidbits is side of the storm. I'm going to refresh the page so we can get some better things. Okay. Assuming that the page refreshed. Yeah, okay, the page is refreshed. So that means we'll have some new things. So let's start. As you can see, the storm is right here. So it'll be right here, very organized. And just remember when I said right here, when it'd be like right here, hitting those islands. This will be like a category 1, because if we go back, remember, right here, right there, and we come here and we can see it'll still be a treble storm, but it still says it's not going to hit it. It's probably because it's a model. It's not as accurate. And we even got a system over here, which we'll have to watch sooner or later. And then, we still have the same stuff as yesterday. So I don't know if this is like legit or not. I'm pretty sure it's not legit, but as of right now, forecast hour. See, we'll have that. I don't think this is updated at all since yesterday, because it didn't really do anything. But we do know that this storm is going to travel here and it's going to go up. Okay, so as you can see, we got the map. This is from Scratch, by the way. Project. Make your own hurricane season if you guys want to go check it out. But just want to say that this right here is made by, well, the icons were, and I'm pretty sure this was Fallen Force 13 video. So as you can see, it's still a tropical depression. So I believe right here is where it's at. It's gonna move up. I'm sorry if it looks like crap, but it's gonna move up. It's gonna become a category 1. It's gonna hit those islands. Well, actually, it's still gonna stay as a category 1, and then it's gonna go up here, to which it'll be a tropical storm, and then I believe it's gonna move out like that. This definitely probably isn't that accurate, so don't quote me on this, but this is what we're expecting, or what I'm expecting, because that's what you can see on here. When you go back down, that's literally what we see. Is this? And I don't know how accurate that looks, but I tried. Okay. Anyway, guys, hope y'all liked the video. Yeah, hope y'all liked the video, and make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, comment, share, do what you gotta do, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Peace out.